Hi everybody, so welcome back to day 3 of my Vlogmas over Christmas. How are we all doing? I am looking particularly smiling, not least because it is my birthday, but because I've just come back from a really lovely pub lunch with my lovely husband, daughter, my two of my very best friends, and also my dad, and we had the biggest roast ever. It was just lovely. I'll put a picture over the top here with my dad and my 2 good friends. I had a lovely time. So I'm feeling suitably full, not only of food but also of love, and that's the best present that anybody could ask for over a birthday, which is so nice. And I'm truly blessed, really, because I do love to take a moment to be grateful for what I've got right now, and that is great friends, a new job that I'm absolutely enjoying thoroughly, and just great friendship, creativity, everything that pours out from this channel as well. And that's the best gift anyone could ask for. I had some lovely gifts this morning, a lovely new handbag from my mother-in-law, so thank you very much. I've had some vouchers, and my husband has bought me, which I should have brought up with me, which I'll probably pick up over the next couple of days, a beautiful painting. It's a copy of a limited edition painting of a wonderful whippet, which is, so it's not Lara, so Lara was a sort of blue whippet, Alice was a white and tiger striped whippet, and Teely is caramel and white and all sorts. But this is sort of like a caramel with a tiger striped whippet, and a lovely lady snoozing, and the whippet is sort of cuddled into her. So it's a sort of an amalgamation of all of our whippetnesses, if you like, but it just represents the companionship and love and utter relaxation that a dog can bring you. So I'll show you that. It's just downstairs, but it's beautiful. And also my husband had already told me to book off Valentine's weekend next year, so the Thursday and Friday connected to the Valentine's weekend, and he just gave me a lovely card this morning that said, darling, we're going to go back to the start, and Chris and I are celebrating 25 years of marriage in June next year, and we have been together over 30 years, but he proposed to me on February the 13th in 1999, and we will be staying in Dartmouth where he proposed, or just down the road from where he proposed, and so right back to the start, which is such a lovely thoughtful thing to do. So Molly helped him book the loveliest B&B right on the boat float in Dartmouth, and so we're going to be there from Thursday to Sunday, which will be lovely. So actually, for those of my friends that are in the West Country, sort of Plymouth based at least, maybe I'll get in touch with you, or I'd love to get in touch with you actually nearer the time and see if we can meet up for a coffee, because my wonderful husband said let's try and drive down via Stones in Totnes, which is a lovely fabric shop. I hope it's still there. Angela and I have met there at least once, certainly, yeah, that would be lovely to bump into her. But Plymouth actually isn't too far from Dartmouth, so maybe I'll get to whiz down there. And I think the Make Boutique is actually going to be in a different venue by then, so maybe I'll go and catch up with some people there. So let me know if you are in the area in that timescale. Just beautiful. I am in the dress that I keep talking about. This is the Kiara dress by Just Patterns. I have finally taken a picture of me in it, and I wore it today, and I'm still really pleased. It's a very different style for me, but I just love it when you make something and then you just instantly want to wear it. And I can see this. I don't really need to have many more dresses in my life, really, but this just feels like secret pyjamas all the way. So yeah, just great fun. So what a lovely day I'm having. Not gonna lie, I might go treat myself to a small snoozle, because I just do like to relax. I feel very, which is the best way of being. I have more Christmas presents to wrap this afternoon, so I will go and do that in a moment. And then the week ahead, I've actually got, I'm going to Red Hill tomorrow. I'm going to a referral centre, a vet referral centre, so I'll be learning lots of things tomorrow. And then, gosh, the week's going to whiz by, isn't it? And it will be, yeah, it'll be Christmas before we know it. But I do have some more sort of gifts and things that I need to buy and to wrap and that sort of stuff. But do let me know in the comments below how prepared you are for Christmas and what you're getting up to. I will share, let me share some footage of you. I've done some with you, sorry. I've done some lovely things. I'm just going to say goodbye to my daughter. Have a lovely time. Moles is off to Wisley this afternoon with her boyfriend and family. They're going to see the Christmas lights, so yeah, I hope she has an amazing time. But let me slice in here now some brief footage and I'll meet you on the other side.
Bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like Vicky pudding. We all like Vicky pudding. For we all like Vicky pudding. So bring some out here.
So we have some traditions as a family of things we get up to. And one of them is the carolling at both at the same pub at the Alma in Framfield, and this is a little while ago now, so a week or so ago. And the Ashdown Singers, I think I've got some footage of them singing. I didn't get up and sing with them this year, but I thoroughly enjoyed being in the audience, listening to them. And also I will include, if I haven't already, some footage of the brass band. And the pub was absolutely heaving for this, and it was absolutely amazing. So hopefully I'll have included some footage of that as well. My husband's just, I hope you can hear the noise in the background, my husband's just taking Molly off to go for the adventure at Wisley, so that's really nice. But just some lovely family traditions, along with the going to the Christmas trees with my dad, and I did include that in a video very recently, so just lovely. So some chatting going on outside, so I hope you can hear me okay. But I did also want to say, now I know I'd already said I've got a Rasak cut out in the lovely animal print sweatshirt, but I also have a few more things cut out and ready to go. And you know what? I'm pretty tired, so I think I'm going to have a snooze, and I need to get some presents wrapped, so I don't think I'll get to sewing this afternoon. But I do have, do you remember me buying this? I don't think I've shared this with you, apologies if I have. This is the Cousette denim from Lamazi Fabrics, and this is a simi skirt which is Tammy handmade. I have lengthened it, so that's going to be really exciting. I think it's actually quite a quick project to make, and then I had just enough left over to cut out a So Much Space tote, which is lovely Sam from So Let's Sparkle with Sam. And then I had some of this, I actually cut this out when I was on the sewing, before I went to the sewing retreat, and didn't get to make it up, so I actually have some animal print too. But how cool is that going to be to have a matching skirt and bag? So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. I hope to get that made up soon. Are you manically sewing this weekend? How prepared are you for Christmas break? I've actually got, so I've got Christmas Day, Boxing Day, obviously the Saturday and Sunday off. I then have the Monday, so that's 5 days. And yes, on Friday I discovered that I might actually have a few more days holiday to take, and so I'm hoping that I can actually book that whole week off. And I've never had Christmas off in, well, like a gazillion years basically, so as in the whole week off, and my husband's also got the whole week off, so it'd be really nice. We'll just be able to have pyjama days and take the dogs on on nice long walks and things, so that's, and obviously do lots of sewing, as I've also got the lovely cream jersey that I want to make a cowl neck top out of, and I want to make some purple joggers to go with that lovely Charlie sweatshirt as well. I hope you also have an endless amount of ideas in your head that you really just want to, sit down and be able to sew and make and enjoy. But actually, I was going to tell you about the advent calendar. I had a lovely little bag charm today from What Beck Sews, and I think the label that was the fabric I bought from the Fabric Obsession, their label calendar, which I know you'll have seen on lots of other channels, and that says good mood, I think, and the O's are little hearts, so I thought that was a really appropriate little label for today as well. But I will leave it there, because once again these are only bite-sized chunks of my life, and I look forward to coming back to you tomorrow. Please let me know in the comments below where you are from in the world, what you're sewing, how your Christmas preparations are going on, and if there's anything in particular you'd like me to cover whilst I'm on my little snapshots over the next few days, then please do let me know. Any questions you want to ask, or any thoughts or ideas you have, then please share them with me, because I'd be happy to oblige. So take care everybody, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Oh, happy birthday to me.